Where is 0 to 100? See, these are the values. This value like ranges from, just see the right corner. It ranges from 0 to 100. And this line, the first line you see from bottom is 30. The second line you see is 70. Okay, you can see that. And the last line is 100. It will never reach 100 anyway. I'll show you conditions when the stock makes good wave and it didn't make such good waves here anyway. Let's go to previous days. See, here you can see a condition. Okay, here you can see the stock almost touched 70, or it is about 66 and 67, and then it started going down. Okay, the RSI value started going down. Here you know the market is almost making a, or the stock is almost making a wave. Okay, or the stock is almost flat, not flat, it's making wave. So here when you see it almost reached 70, and then when it goes down, we just check the condition of 6 EMA line. Even it crossed the 12 also and it started going down. And as soon as it touches 70 or it reaches about 70 and it goes down, you can make a short sell if the 6 is crossing 12 along with that. Okay, so you can take a quick profit of 0.2 percentage and then exit the trade. Are you clear right now, or like somewhat? It is not compulsory that the 6 should cross 12, but it's compulsory that the 6 should be going down. Okay. Someone said that you don't know short selling. Aish, if you don't know short selling, you can please exit this chat. I mean this session. Yeah, I'll show further examples. Yeah, it can be used for like wave pattern. It can be used in wave pattern. Short selling is more advised because it's easy to take profits in short selling. And it's almost 70, and if it's going down, you can use it. You can check the 6 moving average line. It needn't cross 12. It should be going down. If it's crossing 12, what does it mean? It means that it's more accurate and more easy. I tell all that. First, let me make everyone clear about the strategy or when to enter. Okay. See, at this instant, at 11 o'clock, the RSI was about 70. It was about 68 or something, and then it started going down. Okay, then it started going down. At that time, you can see the 6 moving average line was also going down. And you, along with that, you can check the condition of the previous candles. Okay, it's making a wave, so you can make sure that it will make wave again. So what you should do is that you should quickly take the 2% profit and exit. 0.2%, okay, not 2, 0.2% profit and exit. If it is falling from gray, you should make sure that it keeps on going, okay. Suppose it was in gray region for a while, it might go down a bit, and then again chances are high that it will go into gray area. Why? Because if a stock keep, that's why that this was the reason why I had explained the, I will tell the stop loss and everything. Please wait. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. That's it. So Who asked you to buy, Gaurav? Hold on a second. Let me make it about the people who are talking. Keeping the turning audio on. After selling, you should take 0.2% profit. Only like if it reaches almost 70, it's fine. Okay, it can be 68 or 67 or like 69. Don't go below that. Divyansh, you should. What kind of questions are you asking, Divyansh? Can't you see the EMI lines on top of the chart, like in the chart? You should combine both of these. Trade.
So the chat box is not working. Can I ask a doubt here?
Yeah.
Like my only doubt is the 6 EMI line. Only the 6 EMI line should signal up like the downward trend. That's it, no? In
The
EMI
6
lines.
EMI line should be going down, and the 12 will be also
That's
somewhat going down. Okay, you are not able to use the chat box because your network is weak. I can see it here. Okay, fine. Turn off the audio. Okay, we have to see when we have to buy the stock. No, I didn't get you, Ash. So I'll show one more instant or like two more instance. So do not use the chat. Let me show you more examples so that you can make sure you are attending it. I mean, you are understanding it more clearly. Okay, there will be some slow learners. Make sure that you are listening to it. Just wait, Anurag. I'll explain that condition, like when to buy and all. Just hold on. Let me show it. Let's go on with the chart. See, someone had asked a doubt if what will happen if it comes out of gray portion. Okay, here you can see the RSI went above 70 and it showed some gray portion and it started coming down, isn't it? But you should, I like advise you, you should not check, even if you see that 6 is going down, you should not short sell it because it was in an area where it was overbought for a while. Then in the stock, the chances are high that stock will keep on like making appreciation more. Even though you will get 0.2% profit, you should be cautious. It will be, if it is in gray portion, do not short sell it. Okay, see, after a while you can see the stock price again went up, isn't it? So that's why I'm telling you that do not do that. Do not short sell if the stock was above 70 or in like, or if you see a gray portion. Here you can see another example. Okay, the stock just, the RSI value just touched 71 and then it started going down. What about the 6 moving average line? It started going down. So it is a clear position where you can short it, and take 0.2% profit. Are you getting it? Those who have been trading, those who have been using the EMA or those who understood EMA properly will definitely understand the potential of this, isn't it? Are you getting it? Are you seeing the shared screen? I have shared the screen right now. You can ask the doubt. Wait, hold on a second. Let me finish it up.